Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how and where you can find archived tasks, items, or to-do lists in your ClickUp workspace really quickly. So let us get started right away, guys. It is actually very simple. So head over to your ClickUp workspace and select your workspace in the top left corner. And let's say, for example, let's assume you have accidentally archived a couple of tasks or to-do lists or items in your space. So how can you access these? It is very simple. All you will need to do, guys, is access the search bar here at the top by left clicking on it. That is going to open up that search panel here. So you may, for example, enter the name of the item you are looking for, or you may simply use one of these filters here by clicking on that filter icon to the right and select archived to filter out any results that have been archived by you so far. Like, for example, as you can see, that item or that one here or that list or any tasks, and you may, for example, click on that button here to open the given task or to open it in a new tab, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.